have freshly installed Ubuntu operating system on my OS, but then there are some few things that I'm setting up. One of them is the calendar. If you look at the current calendar here, these months are not so familiar to us. For instance, I believe this should be August. Let me try to navigate back so you can see the names of the months that we have in here. So I want to correct this because I'm not able to tell what month this one is. So to correct that, I have prepared some few lines that will be following. So I'm currently in my documents folder, and in here I have prepared a document called dates with just a few lines that we need to run on our terminal so that we can correct the calendar here. So basically the first line that we need to run is locale. This is supposed to check on the current configurations, and our intention is to see these settings applied. So if we closely check on what we have, is that we see the lang is it's okay. Then for the language, that is not set yet. Then we have this option here, it is the last one here, not set yet, and I think that's it. So we'll be working to ensure that our locale settings match what we have here. Alright, so to do that, let me first of all clear my screen so that we can have some space. Then I need to cut that. So what I need to do is that I need to generate the correct locale by running this command. Let me input my password. Right, so it says it has the generation has completed. So let me check again, and of course we see that we still need to do some setup. So the next thing that we need to do is that we need to, for us to apply these changes so that at least we can have these options with data, we need to run this command. Then once we do that, we need to ensure that we add or modify these three lines. So let me just copy that, then in here press enter. Alright, so what I need to do is that let me just paste the three lines there so that I can check if they are in line. So this first option, we confirm that that is what we have here. Then for language, it's actually not there. So what I need to do, basically, since this one is available, I'm just going to remove it that way. Then for this last option, it's not available as well, so I'm going to leave it there. So once I'm happy with the settings, let me press on Ctrl X, then Y, then press enter to confirm the save. Then once we do that, so as to apply the changes, I need to run this command. All right, so again, for the new changes to take effect, I need to reboot my system, right? So I'll be rebooting my system and I'll be back shortly. So after rebooting my system, we now see that the calendar is displaying some familiar months. So that's August, we go to July, June, and all that. So this is all that is required to rectify that. So I have attached these few lines that you need to take note of in the description of this video. Please check it out, and if the video was helpful, be sure to like it, drop your thoughts in the comment section, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye for now.